The Venture Mindset: How to Make Smarter Bets and Achieve Extraordinary Growth by Alex Dang and Ilya Strebulaev explores the strategies and mental frameworks that drive successful venture capitalists and high-growth startups. The book provides insights into how to identify, evaluate, and capitalize on high-potential opportunities in the competitive landscape of innovation and entrepreneurship. Key points covered in the book include: 1. Mindset of a venture capitalist. The authors emphasize the importance of adopting a venture capitalist's mindset, which involves being comfortable with uncertainty, thinking and being prepared to make bold decisions. 2. Frameworks for decision-making. The book outlines various frameworks and tools that help in making smarter investment decisions. These frameworks aid in evaluating risk, potential returns, and market dynamics. 3. Growth strategies. It delves into the growth strategies employed by successful startups, highlighting how to achieve scalability and maintain momentum in a rapidly changing market. 4. Case studies and examples. Real-world examples and case studies are used to illustrate the principles discussed, providing practical insights and lessons from successful ventures. 5. Building a winning team. The book discusses the importance of assembling a talented and driven team, as well as fostering a culture that supports innovation and growth. 6. Navigating challenges. Strategies for overcoming common challenges and setbacks faced by startups are also explored, helping entrepreneurs to stay resilient and adaptable. Overall, the Venture Mindset is a comprehensive guide for entrepreneurs, investors, and anyone interested in the startup ecosystem, offering valuable lessons on how to make informed bets and achieve extraordinary growth in the venture landscape.